Ah-oh, I feel a sneeze coming. Ah-choo. Oops, I sneezed into my hands. When you sneeze, cover please, but don't forget the wash, oh please. Time to wash these germy hands. Scrub-a-dub, rinse away, keep those germs from friends today. Look at all those silly germs going down the drain. Now I'll dry my hands nice and clean.
Thank you for washing your hands and keeping your friends healthy.
Clean hands show you care, spreading kindness everywhere. Wash, dry, smile, keep everyone healthy.